Trigonometry, the sine rule. One situation is when we know two angles and one side, we can use this rule. And when we're finding a side, we write the sine rule in this form. The side A divided by sine of angle A equal to side B divided by sine of angle B equal to side C divided by sine of angle C. Now we show this idea through this example. First we're going to label this triangle. So we can label anyway because this is not drawn to the scale. So here we got angle A and it's 60 degrees. Angle B is 40 degrees. So it's here. Angle C going to be here. Then the side A always going to be opposite to the angle A, so the side A is here, which is 10 centimeters. Side B, opposite to angle B, is here, and this is the one we're going to find. So the side C is here, but that's not part of the question. So we're only involving side A, side B, angle A, and angle B. So even angle C is not part of the question. So now we write the formula. Because we want to find side B, so we write this part of the formula first. So B divided by sine of angle B. Then is equal to side A divided by sine of angle A. Now because we want to find B, you can do a bit of algebra now, so make B the subject. So we got B here, then on the bottom we got sine of angle B, and we need to get rid of this, so we can multiply the top by sine of angle B. So this is just that fraction. Because we multiply the left hand side by sine of angle B, we have to do the same thing on the right hand side. So A times sine of angle B. Then we are dividing by sine of angle A. Now on the left hand side fraction, just sine B cancels out. So we only left with the B, and is equal to A times sine of angle B divided by sine of angle A. Now we can substitute the numbers. So A is equal to 10 sine, angle B is 40 divided by sine, angle is 60. So this is B. Then we go to the calculator. So we type the top part of the fraction, which is 10 times sine 40 close bracket divide by sine 60 degrees close bracket, press equal sign, and we get the answer. For one decimal place, this answer here is 7.4. So 7.4. Then we just write therefore the side B equal to 7.4 centimeters. Now we do example 2. Step 1, label the triangle, so we call it angle A here. This time we call the angle B there, and angle C is here. So label the side A, which is opposite to A, is here. Side B, opposite to angle B, and side C, which we know is 12. So the angle A is 55, angle B is 50, and we want to find side B, and here we know the angle A, but we don't know the side A, so we can't use A. So this pair is no good. Because we know the side C, so we need to find the angle C first. That's easy because 3 angles in a triangle add up to 180. So we can just say here C is going to be equal to 180 minus the other 2 angles. 50 and 55 is 105. Take away from 180 is going to be 75. Just because we got a calculator, so double check. 180 take away 50, take away 55 equal, so this angle is 75. So angle A is not part of the question anymore. Side A is not part of the question anymore. So we got the pair side C and the angle C. B, we know the side. We don't know the side, we know the angle. So we write the formula here. B divided by sine of angle B. C divided by sine of angle C. As before, make this little b the subject. So what you need to do is multiply both sides by sine B, and this sine B from the bottom will cancel. So just for the timing, show you again sine B. So we are multiplying sine B to the left hand side fraction. So if you're doing anything on the left hand side, we have to do the same thing on the right hand side. So this is always going to be the case. This cancels out. So you're only left with the B. Right hand side C times sine of angle B divided by sine of angle C. Then you can substitute your numbers. C is 12 times sine angle B is 50, sine C, and C is 75. Then we use a calculator, so type 12, then times this here, sine 50, then divided by, sine 75, sine 75, close bracket, equal sign. So we get the length B, 9.5 for 1 decimal place. So it's a good idea to do a bit of algebra first. So make whatever you need the subject, then substitute the numbers and get the answer.